One Hotel Brooklyn Bridge is the place to stay in Brooklyn. It's right at the base of the Brooklyn Bridge, so while you're staying there, you get that iconic Manhattan view. The hotel's theme is sustainable luxury. They reduce the waste from bathroom toiletries and also waste from water bottles by installing a designated filtered water station. That I've never seen before, and I want this in my house. The room design is very cool. Modern, yet rustic, yet hip. I recommend getting the Brooklyn Bridge side for an amazing view. The bathroom is separated with a half wall so you can see out the window while you're brushing your teeth. Every room is equipped with an iPad that controls the temperature and provides hotel information. Not only is this pretty high tech, but it also reduces the need for those paper brochures you see in old-fashioned hotel rooms. I see what you did there. The hotel has a spa and a pretty good gym for a hotel. There's a rooftop bar with an amazing view of the bridge. Also a pool with that same amazing view. The hotel has a house car and it's even a Tesla. I would definitely recommend the One Hotel Brooklyn Bridge when traveling to Brooklyn. Okay, world travelers, some of you have been wondering how I can afford to stay at 5-star hotels and resorts all the time. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret in order to save a ton of money on accommodations. I'm a member of Global Travel International, and if you become a member, you'll receive significant discounts on hotels and flights. By using my membership, I've saved thousands of dollars in just one trip. It's literally paid for itself after only one night, and I continue to save on all travel after that. Memberships start at $200 per year, but if you click the link below, you'll receive $100 off any membership. If you want to make the most out of your membership, I offer consultations. I'll explain my strategy and give you access to my email template for hotels and resorts that give me major discounts. My email is in the description below if you want to learn more and schedule a consultation.